everyone, this is Olivia from WorkCentive, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a view. A view is a unique type of table that uses sources from other tables and calcs joined together, displays those results rather than having its own actual independent data set. You create one by going to the palette, selecting table, and selecting view. In this case, I have one started already, so we're just gonna take a look at that. You'll notice when you select your sources, you can pull tables and calcs from anywhere in the model, regardless of what component you're actually in. Under restrictions, you'll join all of your tables and sources together the same way you would normally. If you want to restrict the primary source, you can use global restrictions. So in this case, I'm going to be creating a payroll export using my RPG payee all sources calculation restricted to periodic payouts only. And I'm also using payee hierarchies to pull in the manager. Go to next. I choose all of my display fields. These are all the columns that are going to show up in my table. Once I have them all pulled in, I can use the edit button to change the name. One thing to keep in mind when you're building your view is that a view doesn't actually aggregate data the way a calc does. So you're going to want to make sure to pull in all of your primary key fields. Otherwise, you might end up with duplicate rows. So for example, if I wanted to show only total payout rather than displaying the component, I would have to do that in a separate calculation and use that as the source instead. So now I have all of my display fields chosen here, renamed the way I want them. I can also reorder the columns however I want, hit create. I go to view data, and now in a second, we will have a nice clean table formatted exactly as I want it with the fields I want, ready to export or publish or use as part of an import as well. Thanks for watching.